Yes guys. Watch this video without any noise or sound. Yup. I will try my best to make you make noise or sound while watching the video. Do you think you can win this challenge? Good luck. Lol. The challenge starts in 3, 2, 1. Find a different emoji and say its name in less 5 seconds. Did you do that? Okay. Let's see next. Guess the animal with these emojis. You don't want to do this? Okay. Check this out. Say it now. Did you make a noise? If you did not do it, you did well. Now I tell you something that only 1% can do. Hold your nose and say it 3 times in a row. If you must cross a course, cross cow. Did you win this challenge? Tell me in the comments.